Munch?
It was pizza-licious.
Yeah, I smell just what you mean.
Oh, I was hungry. Hey, Pasquale, is it just me, or did you change the pizza recipe?
Yes, I did. I started from scratch to bring you an all-new, cheesier, crispier pizza. Made with a fresh, never frozen dough. 100% real mozzarella cheese, zesty pizza sauce, and a variety of quality toppings. This pizza is a pizza the whole family will love, along with a garden fresh salad bar and oven toasted sandwiches. Chuck E. Cheese's has the perfect recipe to satisfy your appetite for food and fun.
No, that didn't sound rehearsed at all.
I thought it tasted different. I loved it.
What did you get on your pizza, Munch?
I got pepperoni, sausage, green peppers, pineapple,
that sounds great.
tomatoes, onions.
Okay, Munch, you get it.
Broccoli, cauliflower, popcorn, peanut butter and jelly.
Don't apologize. Lunch is in what I like to call the pizza zone.
Bananas, candy bar, ice cream, and a cherry on top.
Well, I may not like the same toppings as Munch. Honestly, some of those are pretty gross, man. You got a problem. But I do love me some Chuck E. Cheese pizza, and when the craving hits, I just gotta have it. Come on, kids.
good job.
Thought so.
Oh, by all means, Pasquale. Let's hear it.
How do you fix a broken pizza?
Pizzas can't be broken.
I don't know. When you give up, Pasquale, how do you fix a broken pizza?
With a tomato paste.
Yep. This is high quality entertainment right here.
You gotta roll, you go. Anytime you can, you don't keep it straight to your master plan. Just set up, you see how far you go. You just get my friend and roll. You throw your boat in the ocean. Just set sail when you give the notion. You make it work, but don't worry about that. Being in a boat is where it's at.
That brings back memories from when I was a young pup on the rowing team.
Wow, I didn't know you were on a rowing team.
Oh yeah. And we would clean up every year at the finals.
So you guys came in first place, huh?
No, we got dead last. It's just, I mean, we'd clean up, as in we decided to finally take a bath. You see, we thought it would be really good luck if we went the whole season and didn't bathe. In the end, I'm not so sure it was a good idea. All the flies that were buzzing around our heads is what caused us to lose the race. But anyways, what were we talking about? That was my favorite thought.
Speaking of cleaning, I should have probably go clean up the kitchen. Preparing a Munch's pizza left quite a mess.
Before you clean it all up, do you think you might be able to whip me up another pizza?
Munch!
Okay, just a small pizza then.
Oh yeah, right, like we're gonna do just a small pizza.